Just the same kind of story that seems to come down from long ago.
What's going on, guys? This is Carson with Brandon Signature Audio, lead tenor again. We got an oldie but a goodie today. To work on this 1972 old Chevy truck. We're going to be putting our ceramic package 35%, 15% on the back two doors, back glass. And we also get the privilege of working on this windshield, putting 70% ceramic on there. We also get to team up on this thing. We got the audio boys going to be doing some work on it as well. Mike will be able to talk to you a little bit more about that when it's his turn to get to touch this beauty. But until then, let's go check this out.
Somebody wants nothing, you'll get hypnotized. Now it's not a meaningless question to ask if they've been and gone. I remember a talk about North Carolina in a strange, strange pond. See, the sides were like glass in the thick of a forest without a road. And if any man's hand ever made that land, then I think it would have showed. And that's why it seems like a dream. They got me hypnotized. That's right.
What's going on, guys? It's Brandon Carson the Fever. We're doing a segment for Carson's Tip. This is where I give you my tip. So I think United States is going to go round two. Talking about World Cup, placing bets today. That's what we're doing, Brandon Sorsby style. I got money on Brazil right now. They are down by a bunch of Japan people. I'm not liking it very much. So if I got to pull my money, we're going to do it early. So we're not in the losing game. That's my tip, guys.
They say there's a place down in Mexico where a man can fly over mountains and hills. And he don't need an airplane or some kind of engine, and he never will. Now you know it's a meaningless question to ask if those stories are right. 'Cause what matters most, feeling you get when you're hypnotized. When it seems like a dream, they got you hypnotized. Your body means nothing, you're hypnotized. It seems like a dream, they got you hypnotized. Yeah, that's when they got you hypnotized. It seems like a dream. It seems like a dream. When your body means nothing, you float around, they got you hypnotized.
If I could turn the
It's your turn, buddy.
Hey everyone, Mike here with Vernon Signature Audio. Coming for a small upgrade. He already had some product components set in the kicks, 4-channel amp. He's got one of those nice custom auto sound radios that keep everything looking stock. Looking for better sound up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that JL 4-channel amp out, put a matchup 4, and then we're going to take that sub-RCA output and run that into his JL audio powered enclosure so we can get better control of that as well. And then we're replacing those kick panels with some Helix product, right? We're going to put the Helix i7s and the Helix i7 tweeters in there. So should sound really nice. Definitely a big upgrade from what he had before. So yeah, stay tuned.
Fuck yeah.
Now, originally what we're going to do is we're just going to remove their JL Audio 4-channel amp, which great amplifier, but we're looking to raise that sound stage and stuff like that. Since the speakers were just in the kick, best way to do that's with a DSP. So we're going to go with an up 4 DSP. Upon pulling things apart and, further inspection, this has become a wire rescue. Now, luckily for Luscious, these were just thrown under the driver's seat. They weren't mounted or anything, and these would be your crossovers for the JL components. One thing we noticed was a lot of popping from this side, and this at this point, it's just blown. Get a listen to that, Christian. So we're going to now upgrade to Helix components. But the funny thing is, so when we take a look at that crossover, if you don't know what you're looking at there, the positive for the tweeter is actually connected to the positive of the woofer as well. So that's probably what caused all that popping to begin with. But either way, we're going to run everything active, nothing passive anymore. So we're going to actually rebuild these two. Another thing that's kind of interesting is tweeter right there. When you're fabricating something, the one thing you want to do is nothing should be permanent in the vehicle. So if you notice the screw holes in the back, that means they mounted the tweeter first, then wrapped it in vinyl and did that horrible ugly cut right there. So we're going to strip these down and get these redone, make them fit a little bit better in there too. But yeah, so from just a simple upgrade to a wire rescue as well as a upgrade on the kicks as well. So stay tuned for that.
what you love and what you have and what you love. Oh, thunder only happens when it's raining. Players only love you when they're playing. Say
Hey everyone, Mike here with Vernon Signature Audio, and the 72 C10 Restomod truck is ready to go. Got the up-core in there, it's tuned. We've got the conductor. Now he's got fiber optic option that he can run directly to that up-core so we can get that high-res sound. We had to upgrade those JL speakers, so now he's running Helix i7 component set in the front kicks. So all in all, really nice little setup. Not a lot of product going in there, but the sound is amazing. So you got one of these vehicles, you know where to come. Don't take it to someone you know like everybody takes it to my damn cousin. Christian, tell them about my cousin.
vision. I keep my visions to myself. With so